Hey guys, so my birthday was coming up and I've been having such a hard time getting my computer going. Hard drive's failing, you know, usual stuff. I guess that's what happens after 8 years. So my mom got me an early birthday present and it's the NVME SSD 500 GB Western Digital Black Edition hard drive. It's supposed to be 3400 megabytes per second, which is cool. So because everybody these days seems to like unboxings, hopefully I don't destroy anything while I do this, we are unboxing our hard drive. Then we're going to install it. So these things are pretty well no nonsense. That's part of the box. There we go. And this is our drive. There's something to read. Oop, almost dropped it. Looks good. Looks tiny. And we're going to install it now. Safe. Now, I've never installed one of these drives before, so we're going to attempt a quick install. There we go. Remove the shielding. Okay. Be gentle. Let's see, this is supposed to be magnetic. And it is. Nice. Gotta love magnetic tools. And there it is. Almost lost a screw. So I guess we lift this up. This does not come off. Okay. So we are going to need... I could probably do this one-handed. We'll see. Be right back. Okay, so I did some fiddling around. And this actually comes right off. Just like that. So I'm going to flip my screwdriver around and use the flathead to remove that and extend it over. We'll be right back. Alright, so we are back. And I got a finer screwdriver. I have one more finer than this. There we go.
So remove that to move it back to the last digit there. I have big hands, so. Okay, just gotta feel it out. Part of the problem here is I'm wearing a headset that messes with my perception. Alright guys, I'm gonna need my ability to see.
And we're back. So now all we have to do is stick this in, and it's spring-loaded like that. Then we press it down, and then we lock it in place, which you can't see. So we'll use the magnetic screwdriver to accomplish said task, and I'll be right back. All right, magnetic screwdriver. Using the headset again, so my perception is off. That's good. Now we will replace the I/O shield, which is all nice and fancy. I actually thought it was some sort of mechanism or something. There. And it's in place. That's it. It's installed. Now time to boot this thing up and see what chaos I've caused myself. Alrighty. So settings, And we want to go to boot. Let's change this to CD-ROM drive. Good. Hard disk drive. Is there anything special? There it is right there. Boom. Done. Okay. We want to escape, which is save and exit. And then save changes. Whoops. Save changes and reboot. Before we do that, I'm going to insert Windows 7. Okay, we're good. Save. Yes. And let's see if it recognizes it. Oh, okay. And it's exciting. There it is. Windows is loading files.